Hello, everyone. Welcome to Master In. My name is Rodrigo Garcia, and today you will learn how to combine shapes and practice the parallax effect. Subscribe, like, share, and let's begin. The first thing you will do is insert an image of the project we are going to create. I will post an image of some cinema seats. Then, create a shape to your liking. I will create a rectangle. I will activate point editing to give it the desired shape. You can do this in the Format Shape menu. I will curve the line a little on the left side. This shape will be used as a fusion mask. After modeling it, duplicate it and place it in the same position as the original shape. I'll activate the selection panel and rename the shapes. This will help me later position them in the desired order. I'm going to change the opacity of the original shape to 50% to create a colored screen effect. I've named the shape Clear. The next thing you'll do is insert a text box and add the title of your project. For example, I'll call the project VIP Cinemas. Format the text. In this example, the letters will be large, and I'll load them to the right. Place the letters crossing over the curved line. When we combine them, we'll create the effect of the double-colored letters remains. Next, you will select the shape and text box, and from the Format Shape menu, select Combine and adjust the color of the new shape to your liking. Add an inner and outer shadow to the image in the workspace. These shadows will create the overlapping effect when animating the parallax effect. Let's copy the image to the left. The edge of the new image should touch the left edge of the workspace. We will now have the output image and an input image. Rename the images. The next step is to add the motion animations. I'll start with the desktop image. In the animation menu, I'll add a correct motion animation. When the animation guide appears, I'll move the shadow of the output image to the right, outside of the desktop. I'll give it a time of 90 milliseconds. Next, I'll add the same animation to the input image. I'll drag the shadow to the workspace and add a time of 70 milliseconds. Let's see how the animation turns out. Very cool. Replace the input image with a new one. I will choose an image with an orange drink. Now I'm going to duplicate the slide, and in the new slide, I'm going to replace the output image with the orange drink and the input image with a new one. I'm also going to change the color of the shape that will be my colored screen. I'm going to put a yellow color. We'll repeat the process of duplicating the slide and replacing the images and the color of the screen format as many times as necessary. Next, I will add a transition with a morph effect. I will set a duration of 1 second for the effect and 50 milliseconds to advance to the next slide. Let's see how this animation turns out. It looks so good. The last thing I'll do is duplicate the last slide and remove the 50 milliseconds to advance to the next transition, so that when the animation is complete, it remains fixed on the photo showing the movie. Here is another example where I changed the colors of the combined shape and added a shadow effect on the left. It's all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.